Babay na po. Babay na po, viewers. Ayan na si Bunso. Nakita niyo na malapitan.
Pa-picture lang kayo. Bahawak nga.
Ruel Carino wagi bilang Best New Male Artist sa the 38th Aliw Awards 2025. Nitong Lunes, December 15 ay ginanap nga ang the 38th Aliw Awards sa Fiesta Pavilion Manila Hotel kung saan ay pinarangalan ang iba't ibang mga personalidad. Isa nga sa mga tumanggap ng parangal sa nasabing event ang Eat Bulaga The Clone Star na si Ruel Carino kung saan ay kinilala siya bilang Best New Male Artist 2025. Mula naman sa social media ng mga nakadalo sa naturang awards night ay kanilang ang ipinasilip at ibinahagi sa publiko ang mga kaganapan sa event. Sa iilang video na naibahagi ay makikita nga na super happy nga ni Ruel Carino sa kanyang parangal at super proud din siya na mapabilang sa ganitong klaseng prestihiyosong event. Narito naman panuorin natin ang iilang video mula sa the 38th Aliw Awards night kung saan ay pinarangalan si Ruel Carino bilang Best New Male Artist.
For always blessing me with all of my performances and for helping me all the time. And thank you, of course, to my family, especially to my mom, who always supports me, my brother, my grandparents, relatives, and friends. And thank you, of course, to my very own vocal coach, Coach Jake Richo of RMA Studio Academy. Thank you so much for helping me develop my voice and for always believing in me. And I am very blessed to have all of you. Once again, thank you everyone and have a pleasant evening.
Next na yata sila Bunso. Kinakabahan na ako. Nanginginig ako. Ayan na! Ayan na! Ayan na! Sila Bunso na!
Male artist. Ruel Carino.
Yay! Nanalo si Ruel! Asan na si Ruel? Ayun! Ayun! Ayun si Bunso! Nanalo si Bunso! Nanalo na po siya! Announce na! Yes! Thanks God! Oh my God, nanginginig yung kamay ko.
So, receiving this award is a very, very big deal for me because, as you might know, I only started my journey here in showbiz in late April. This means a lot. This early into my career, imagine getting an award already. So, I would just like to sincerely thank the Aliw Awards Foundation and all of the people here, whether you be a nominee or not. Congratulations to all of you. I love you very much.
I love you too, Bunso! Oh my God! Nanginginig yung kamay ko. Ay, grabe, naiiyak ako. Woo!
And the winner for Best New Female Artist is Simone Valderrama Martinez.
Yes! Grinan ni Lord lahat ng prayers po natin. Thank you, Lord. Nanalo po si Bunso. New male. Best new male artist. Congrats, Bunso. Super proud ang Ruel Carino Fans Club.
Thank you po, Aliw, for giving me this award tonight.
I'm eternally grateful. I would also love to thank my parents who have guided me throughout this journey ever since I was a kid, and my abuelo and my abuelita who is here also tonight for supporting me, and the rest of my friends and my family who have always been there for me, and my best friend and my sister who are also here, and my Ninang Beautiful who is always there for me. So, thank you.
May nagpapaselfie pa kay Bunso, oh. Naharang, kami rin magpapaselfie. Titigil ko na tong live ko. Oh my God, pinagkaguluhan na si Bunso.
Best new group artist is
Nanginginig ako.
Vic or Vic. VVE. Record VVE. Winner of the Best New Group Artist is Wayne.
So proud na witness namin ang personal yung first award ni Bunso.
Pag sinabi ko niya si Nina, pag sinabi ko dadalhin tayo sa mic.
Thank you so much, Leon. Hello everyone, I'm Matilda.
Naiiyak ako, Mami.
Here on behalf of
Ay, gusto.
Kami
kinakabahan ko. Nagigibahan ako sa kamay ko.
Grabe, thank you so much, Leon. Super unexpected and happy.
Grabe, naiiyak ako.
Thank you sa Martola na nagkaka-umpisa talong po natin sa Nigeria. First of all, we would like to
Nanginginig yung kamay ko, my God.
gift na tayo dahil isang sa amin.
Bakit? Ang likod nga po. Ang likod nga po ng kamay ko gumagano.
Dahan ka naman kay Mami Gina. Dahan ka naman, Mami Gina.
Thank you so much, Winkies. Thank you
Let's
so
share.
much, our family, friends, and of course,
Babay na po. Babay na po, viewers. Ayan na si Bunso. Nakita niyo na malapitan.
Pa-picture lang kayo.
Talaga na,
Bahawak nga po.